powered by Plascon. Today's handy heroes come from Midas Tygervalley in Cape Town.
We are Midas Earthcoat Tygervalley. We are a multi-generational company. We actually pride ourselves of having the history enforced into this company. What makes us proud of this store itself is the customer service that I give our clients.
So why I come to Midas Tygervalley is because of the uniqueness proposition for client service, right? They understand our business, they understand the speed of urgency, consistency, product supply is always there and price is always on point.
What makes this the best hardware store selling Plascon is the variety of Plascon products that we do keep in our store. You will find that if you need a Plascon product, it will be on our shelves. My favorite Plascon product is the water-based Velvet Glow. The fact that it's got all that flexibility, you can use it on different surfaces. It's enviro-friendly, that's very important to us as well. My DIY tip comes back to my father that was also in the paint industry. Use the paint that you're currently using to paint the wall. You will take that paint, mix it with the polyfiller and not water, which then in return will give you more flexibility in the product and also less shrinkage and then also better coverage.
Today's handy heroes is powered by Plascon Wall and All. Unmatched dirt, stain, water and fade resistance to keep your walls beautiful for years. Plascon, together we've got this.